very good. Quality is very good. This is very good.
Except from price and quality, why customers choose Sailing? Let me explain from 3 different points of view. Payment terms, delivery, extra service. We are flexible over not only TT, but also credit LC. We offer free delivery to the main seaports in China because we ship from 5 different warehouses in 5 different provinces in China. And some of our customers are new starters of our business. Based on our past 16 years export experience, we offer a one-stop solution. Choose Sailing, choose professional.